Welcome to the 1Binder training videos. In this video, I will show you how to set up a new company. The first step is going to the 1Binder website. Once you're there, it should bring you to a login screen. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and log in. For this video, I'm assuming you don't have an account, so let's go ahead and set up one. We can click this button right here. Once you do that, you should come up to a sign up page. Here we can put in our first name, we can put in our last name, and then our company name. This would be the name of the company that you're setting up the binder for. The next field is email. Make sure that whatever email you put in here, you have easy access to. The same goes for your phone number. If you have a phone number that is specifically for your company, you'd want to put that in here and not your personal phone number. If not, it's perfectly fine to put your personal phone number. The next field is promo code. If you have a promo code, you can enter that now. If not, go ahead and skip. Then we can go ahead and create a password, whatever you like it to be. Then go ahead and repeat that password. Make sure it's the same. And finally, click this I am not a robot. Then go ahead and click sign up. Once you click sign up, you should be directed to a page that has the end user license agreement. You can go ahead and read through this, and once you're done, click accept down at the bottom. Now we are to the 1Binder home screen. Up here we have a button that brings us back to this home page. In a moment, there will be other options up here as well, but for right now, they're not available. We also, under our name, have a little menu with a few more options and a little icon up here, which if you hover over it, says that our email has not been verified. You will have received an email notification with a verification code inside of it. You need to go find that email, look up the verification code, and copy it into this field. Once you get it, you can go ahead and paste it in, and then click verify. Next, we want to go ahead and click this button right here, Start 30-day free trial. If you would like, you can read the description above it. It gives a bit more information on the different items that 1Binder allows you to use. The first page that we come to is our company profile. Typically, you want to just leave all this information alone. It should be correct. The next tab is binders. We can add 1, 2, 3 binders, or if you'd like, you don't have to add any binders at all. You can do that later. For right now, I'm going to go ahead and just add a single binder. But if you want to add another binder, it's very simple. As soon as you start typing, another box will open up. And once you start typing in here, another box will open up. Now let's say you accidentally type in a binder that you don't want and you change your mind. You just click this X right here. Once you're done here, you can click the next, and we'll go to administrators. Here you can add different administrators for your company. So I'm going to add a single administrator. Once you've put in the first and last name, you must add the administrator's email address. It is important that you do not type this in incorrectly, or else the license will be sent to the wrong person. Once you've typed that in, you can go ahead and click Next. Next, we have the employees for our company. You can go ahead and add an employee with a first name, last name, and email address. Again, it's important that their email address is correct. If you want to add a second, third, fourth, you can go ahead and do so now. On this page, we can add external team members. If you are going to be working with someone who either already uses 1Binder and you're going to be collaborating with them, or if you want to invite another person who is not an employee but you need them to work for you for a time, you can add them here as well. Again, it's important that their email address is correct. On the last page, we will get a summary of everything that we have just put in. the name of the binders that we're going to import. We will get the administrators that we're going to create. We're going to get a list of the employees, which is only one, and then we'll get the list of external team members to invite. Then if you scroll down, you'll get a summary of how much everything is going to cost. You notice here that the licenses for administrators is you plus administrators. What that means is you are an administrator plus anybody else you add in here. It's important to note this distinction. If you've accidentally added yourself as one of the administrators, you can simply click back to the Administrators tab and remove yourself. Otherwise, you can go ahead and read over the receipt and click Get Started. Once you click Get Started, a payment box will come up where you can input your credit card, your name, the description of the work you're doing, and then your billing address. All payment information is done through a company called Stripe.com, so there's no need to worry about any of it getting hacked into or anything like that. Once you're done, you can click Add Payment Type, and you will be redirected back to your home page. Now that we're back on the home page, you'll see a notification pops up at the bottom saying trial started successfully.